The purpose of this video is to show you how to physically make a 4-bit adder on a breadboard. Many other tutorials online show you the schematics for the adder, but not actually how to make it with all the gates and stuff. I'm not going to go in depth on every single wire here. That would take way too much time. It's just wiring up some XOR and OR gates. Got the XORs, got the ANDs, and got the OR gate right there. This is the power supply. These are resistors, and I'll go over those in a second. And these are simply current limiting resistors to this LED here. So turn the power supply on. Numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8 are one number, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 are one number in 4 bits. So 8 is 1. It corresponds to that 1 on the bar graph LED over there. 2, 3, 4, 4, and that last one is the 5th bit. Because if you're adding 4-bit numbers, sometimes you get a 5th bit output. And that's, of course, just the 1 on the second second number. So coming out from this dip switch, you get the 4 wires to the AND gates you need. But one very important thing is these resistors right here. These are 1000 ohm resistors, and without those, the logic gates here would be in a floating state. Instead of being tied to ground or voltage, given it a 0 or a 1, it'll be open. So these resistors tie it to a fixed state. So let's follow one of these right here to this XOR gate. So the resistor right now is it's tying the XOR gate to ground, that pin right there to ground. If I open up 6, current now flows through the gate, through the dip switch to ground, yes, but also enough current flows, enough voltage is supplied to the logic gate, and that gives an output of what you'd expect. So it's just testing out to make sure it works. 2 numbers. Let's go with 3 and now let's just go 3 and 3. So you have the 2 and the 1, and you have the 2 and the 1 there. And that, of course, that makes that makes 6. It's being a little fidgety right now because the dip switch is not properly installed. It kind of pops out, but you get the 4 and the 2 on, and that's basically how you make it. Of course, online other tutorials show you the exact XOR and or gates you need and how to wire those, but you cannot forget these resistors or it will just not work. Thank you very much.